you just got your new Baylor Medical GPS device. This is what it's going to come in. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have your mobile GPS device, the charging dock with a USB in case you want to charge it in your car, the AC adapter to plug it into the wall, your lanyard if you want to wear it around your neck, and a pouch to wear it on your hip. What else do we have here? And your user guide that will tell you how your GPS operates and all of its features. Our 4G LTE GPS device is compact and lightweight. It holds a charge up to 120 hours, has two-way communication, and is water resistant, so you can take it in the shower or for a walk in the rain, but don't go jumping in any pools with it. Before testing, it is important that you fully charge your GPS device, ideally by a window, so that it can pick up the most accurate location. To call for help, hold your help button down for about 3 seconds until it beeps. Your device will tell you that it is calling for help and give you the option to cancel if the call is a false alarm.
Placing an emergency call now. To cancel a call, please press and hold the help button for 2 seconds now.
Hello, Lisa. This is Amber with Baylor Medical. Do you need help?
No, thank you. We're just testing.
Okay, so you're testing. Is that correct?
Yes, just testing.
Within seconds, you will be connected to our US-based, UL-listed 24-hour monitoring center. At that time, they will come over the two-way speaker on your device to assess your emergency and follow your listed protocol to send help.
You may still have some questions about the GPS device. Some of our commonly asked questions are, 1, why is this better than a cell phone? Well, during an emergency, you may be disoriented and unable to tell paramedics where you're located. Also, you probably aren't going to have your cell phone on you at all times. Another question we get a lot is, can I use the GPS at home? You can absolutely use your GPS device at home. However, there are 2 things you want to keep in mind. The first is that you're going to have to charge your GPS device at some point, and during that time, you won't be protected. So if you're at risk of falling at home, you definitely will you'll want to bundle your system. You'll want to bundle your GPS device with one of our in-home systems. Second, GPS is designed to update as you move. So if you're sitting idle at home for too long, it could impact the accuracy of your location. Finally, can this be used with a pacemaker? The answer is yes. However, our GPS device does have a magnet in it, so if you do have a pacemaker, you'll want to use the pouch that we provide with your GPS device and wear it on your hip to keep it far away from your pacemaker. That's all the commonly asked questions I have for you today, but if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 877-522-9633. Thanks for watching.